Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I miss you. Today's math lesson is for Friday, April 17th, and it is super easy. It's Friday, usually we do a Math Fact Friday or games or something fun. So today's lesson, I took it out and thought, you know what, it looks like a good Friday lesson. Won't take you much time, so I'm going to go through it and then you can go ahead and look for these shapes. So this is page 687. It looks like this: develop, recognize, and drawing shapes. So the try it. Now over to the side of the try it, it has these directions. You can just go ahead right now, take your pencil and X those out. Let's not worry about those, okay? What you do need to do, it says hunt around your classroom. Now, since we're at home, you're gonna have to hunt at home. So hunt around your room for 3 objects that have different shapes. Look for sides, vertices, and angles. Draw each shape and label it with the shape name. So you're gonna do 3 different shapes that you find in your house. See if you can find shapes that are different. I know a lot of you are going to find squares and rectangles, but see if you can find a pentagon or a hexagon or an octagon. Just look in your toy box. Maybe you'll come up with something you didn't know was there. So this just says 3. I wonder if you could find 5 different shapes. That's your challenge for the day. So you just have to draw the shape here and then list what it was, whether it was a circle, a square, or rectangle. And then if you want to, underneath that, put where you found it or what was on. For example, I could draw a circle and then I would put the word circle underneath it. And then I might write Hot Wheel tire, because that's where I found my circle in my Hot Wheel car. So you're finding 3. Any 3, but they can't be the same. So don't find 2 squares and a circle. One of each shape. So see what you can do. Okay. Now, obviously down here, discuss it. It says you can talk with your partner. Well, we're not at school, so you don't have a partner, but you could. You could talk with your mom and dad or your brother and sister about it. It just says, how did you get started? It means, what did you do? Did you just sit there and go, oh, I don't really want to do this? Or did you get up? Did you walk around? You decide. Now, the second page, page 688, looks like this, has all these fancy signs and shapes on it. You will love this page because there's not much to do with it. It says, hunt around your classroom. Well, we're not in the classroom, so around your house for 3 objects that have different shapes. Look for sides, vertices, and angles. Draw each shape and label it with its shape name. That is exactly what this one said, okay? So you basically already did the hunt. Then it says picture it. You can look for shapes. This is what I would like for you to do, and it doesn't say this. I want you to write underneath, what shape is that? Is it a square? Is it a circle? And then what shape is the bus stop sign? What shape is the window? And what shape is the yield sign? So I know it doesn't give you lines underneath it, but just go ahead and write underneath what each shape is. Then it says you can draw the shapes. I want you to trace each shape and once again write underneath what each shape is. So this, I'm going to take my pencil, I'm going to trace it, and then I'm going to write, oh, let's see, what shape has 3 sides? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices or points, 1, 2, 3, and 3 angles. I can draw them in. 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles. Must be a triangle. So trace it and write triangle. And then you have those 3 left. And that is it for today's lesson. Okay? Should be nice and easy for you. I hope you enjoy it. Go on a hunt around the classroom. Maybe you could share with, or I'm sorry, not around the classroom, around your home. Maybe you could share with me one of the most interesting shapes you found and what you found it on. Okay, have fun.